Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share your document with the public on Canva using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Canva, as well as a document that we have created. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Canva itself. Let's now go to canva.com. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to recent designs. Click on the document that was created in the previous tutorials. Now let's go to the top right corner, click on share. Let's now go to public view link. Click on this. This will then generate a link that is designed to be shared publicly. And so anyone with the link can access a view only version of that design. So if I were to, let's just say, click on copy, then go all the way down to the dock, go back to Safari, right click this, new private window. This will open up a new web browser in incognito mode. Let's now paste, Command V, enter, and there we have that document that was shared with the public on the public platform via that link. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.